What's up, everybody? Baz and Bama. Today is March the 11th. It's about, it's 5:30 p.m. I didn't have no plans on coming out here and fish today, but I was just sitting around the house, didn't really have nothing going on. So I decided to get up and come out here. This is a lake not too far from my house, and I started coming out here last year. Didn't have the best of luck coming out here, but I did have the opportunity to catch a few from the bank. And I don't know if it's just me, but it's tough for me to catch fish from the bank than it is going out on a boat. Cause I got the opportunity to go out last year with the guy I met out here, and he took me out twice with him. The first time we didn't have a bite. The second time we went out, we ended up catching 2 apiece, solid fish. But like I said, I have caught a few from the bank. But I still like coming out here, and I do have plans on bringing my John boat out here. Only thing about it, I'm running off a little small trolling motor and battery, so I probably won't get a chance to go all the way on the back side of this lake, because this lake is a little over 600 acres, so I don't think I'll be pushing it that far, going, that far on a John boat, on a trolling motor and battery. And then it'd probably take me forever to get all the way on that backside. But I do have plans on going on that backside. I mean, I do have plans on putting the John boat in this lake, because I met a guy one time out here that he goes out on a kayak. So I know if he can go out on a kayak, I can take the John boat out here. But this lake big enough where they put the bigger boats in. Good solid, like I said, some good solid fish in here if you can catch them. But yeah, I'm just doing a little video, because like I said in some of my previous videos, I'm trying to get my channel to grow. So I gotta put out content, but my plan is just to put at least 1 video out per week, and I'll be fine with that until I can figure out something to put out more videos. I started off late last year, putting out multiple videos, but it was a grind. It was a grind to do that. So now I'm taking a little of the stress off me and just put 1 video out per week, and we're gonna go from there. Hopefully it'll take off. Hopefully the channel will take off with me doing just 1 video per week. But if I'm able to do multiple videos during the week, that would be awesome. So just stay with me. Like I said, just keep following me. If you're not subscribed, that's your time now to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and so you won't miss out no videos, because I grind over here. May not catch fish all the time, but we do catch them, and we catch some pretty decent fish sometimes. So just follow me, subscribe to me, And you also can go over on Instagram and follow me at Bazzin in Bama. I do a lot of posting over on Instagram. So follow me over there on Instagram and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop some comments, and let's get this channel growing. I've been out here about 30 minutes now. I'm finna say 3 hours. Haven't had any bites. So I think I'm gonna get up tomorrow and go out tomorrow morning for a little while and do a little fishing tomorrow and add on to this video. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Bazzin in Bama back. I just end up just stopping that video. I didn't get a bite. I've been out here now about an hour. I only gave it about an hour. I didn't get any bites. Like I said, the temp dropping. It did get up to like 70 some degrees today, but the temp dropping now. So I'm just gonna head on to the house and just come up with something else to see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So y'all just sit tight, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow with an update if I decide to go out tomorrow or not. If I go out, you'll see me on the water. If not, you'll see me at the house. And I'll just sit down and talk and just figure out something to do to try to get some fish on camera for you all. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all later. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Bazzin in Bama back. And this is the next day. Today is Friday, March the 12th. And I'm out here at a pond today. This is the first time I ever did a video at this pond. I just caught this little small. I'm about to let it go back in the water. I'm about to get the release on this one. I don't know why when I get to fishing, man, the phone always want to ring. Then it don't never be nobody that you want to talk to. Like that call right there was, my phone said potential spam. Never be nothing important. But what I was saying was that's the first fish of the day, and this is my first time ever filming at this pond. To be honest, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be out here. I don't see any signs out saying stay out here. I mean, keep out. I came out here, this is like my third or fourth time coming out here. And the biggest fish I've caught out here so far was 2 pounds, and I think 7 ounces on a top water bait. And I actually seen that fish, and I just threw that top water bait in that spot, and that fish turned back around and hit it. But if someone come out here, they tell me to leave, I can't do nothing but leave. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. I had cut the camera off, and hold on. Look at that. This the bass that I've been trying to catch all morning. And I was just cutting the camera back on. And to tell y'all, give y'all an update on what's been going on. I throwed everything trying to get this fish to bite from I threw a small Booyah Pun Magic spinner bait in man, I think it was like a green pumpkin color. I threw a couple chatter baits. I threw a couple baits, man, trying to get this one fish to bite. And finally I switched over to a Strike King Rage Crawl, Baby Rage, and switched from green pumpkin to watermelon red black flakes, and I got it to bite. Nice little fish, maybe a pound, I don't know. But I'm gonna get a weight on it quick and I'll be back. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back, and here's the release on that last fish. What's up everybody? Bad and Bama back. Well, I done moved around to the back side of this pond. I just been strolling around. It's some solid fish in this pond. I see a bag, probably about the same size as the one that I caught earlier, the second one I caught. Could be a little bigger. You got it. You got it. I've been seeing it playing around. And I got him. That Baby Rage, green pumpkin, red flakes. Yeah, I'm back with the release of that fish. Got one. Got one. Got one. On the bait ball. On the bait ball. Got him. Good one. Well, nice size one. On the bait ball. Oh, he got it good. Now that's how you get, now that's a hook set. I mean, now that's the way you want your fish to get hooked. There's no way that fish was coming off. That fish could have been 10 pounds. That fish was not coming off that hook. Maybe broke the line, but he wasn't getting off this hook. And that is the release of that fish. Got that one on the live target bait ball. That's green pumpkin and We just gonna say silver. It's silver on the bottom in a 3/8 ounce. Got another one, a little small one on the Strike King Baby Rage. I'm gonna release them in kind of easy. I don't want to spook them. That fish keep playing around. He must want to get caught. I got him. Got him. Got him. Told y'all we were gonna get him. Told you we'll get him. Got him. Another one. Strike King Baby Rage. Watermelon green flakes. We got about 5 fish today. We're gonna end this video just like that. I can't even get this hook out. Nice little solid fish. Get the release on this one. What's up, everybody? Baz and Bama back, and I'm done fishing. I'm getting ready to head out. I already packed everything up. Well, packed everything up. I'm just walking back over to the pond, ready to just do my outro. But yeah, today ended up being a pretty decent day. Caught about 4 or 5 bass today. Nothing really major in size. The biggest one I caught was a little over 2 pounds. I couldn't get an exact reading because I weighed that fish up on a spring scale. I didn't have neither one of my digital scales. That just show you how unprepared I was today. Like I said, I got a lot of my stuff in a smaller bag. Well, I got baits in my big backpack, and I had some in my little small tote bag, and I forgot that stuff was in that bag, and I had it in my closet. So I only came out here with a limited tackle today, but I still managed to catch a few. That was good. A lot of those fish I seen, a lot of fish that I caught today, they pretty much was sight fish. I seen them, and I got them to react and bite. So it's still a pretty decent day. I'm not really into sight fishing, but that was pretty cool. But I caught majority of the fish on a Strike King Rage Craw, Strike King Rage Tail Baby Craw, and I caught one on a live target bait ball. It's like a small, well, you seen it. It ain't nothing like a small Alabama rig, but it's compact like a spinner bait. And I was glad to catch one on that, because I've been trying to catch one on those baits for the longest. I was fishing when it was a lot colder, but I finally got one to bite on that. That was good. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go home now, man. Try to get this, hopefully I can get this video put up, and hopefully I can get it to drop sometime today or either sometime tomorrow. But I just want to say thank you all. If y'all made it to this far in the video, man, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and share my channel. Give me a like, comment, do the whole nine for me. I really appreciate that. But I'm not gonna hold y'all up any longer, because I know this video right here is going to be long. So once again, I thank y'all for taking the time and watching this video, staying to the end. And I, like always, I tell y'all this all the time, y'all continue to stay safe, and like always, stay blessed, and I'll catch you all next time.